Hello everyone. A very warm welcome to Speak English with Raksha. I'm Raksha and I'm so happy you are here today.
Hello, Raksha. I'm excited. What are we learning today?
Today we are learning something very important, very useful and also very interesting. We are going to learn phrasal verbs using nature examples.
Phrasal verbs again? Raksha, I feel scared.
Don't worry at all. Many beginners feel scared, but today you will feel confident. We will learn slowly, with examples, small sentences, and fun conversation. Remember one thing, friends, English is not difficult. We just need the right method.
Raksha, before we start, can you explain again what phrasal verbs are?
Of course, Lohi, very good question. A phrasal verb has two parts. A verb, do, go, come, grow, fall. A small word, up, down, out, in, away. Together, they make one meaning. For example, grow equals become bigger. Up equals higher. Grow up equals become big.
Oh, two words, one meaning.
Exactly. And today all our examples are from nature, so you can remember easily. Let's start with a very common phrasal verb, come out.
Come out, like come outside?
Yes, very good. In nature, we often say, the sun comes out, flowers come out. Look at this sentence. The sun comes out in the morning.
That sounds simple.
Yes, another example. Beautiful flowers come out in spring. So remember, come out means appear or be seen. Say with me slowly, the sun comes out. Now let's talk about grow up.
I know this one. Children grow up.
Excellent. And plants also grow up. Example sentences. Small plants grow up into big trees. The tree grows up near the river.
So, grow up means become bigger.
Yes, become big over time. Fun fact, you can use grow up for plants, animals, and people. Practice sentence. This small plant will grow up. Now imagine autumn.
Yes, leaves fall from trees.
Correct. We say leaves fall down. More examples. Dry leaves fall down from trees. An apple falls down from the tree. Meaning, fall down means move from high to low.
Raksha, can people fall down?
Yes, but be careful. He falls down on the road. Now let's talk about the wind.
The wind is strong sometimes.
Yes, when the wind is strong, it can blow away things. Examples, the wind blows away dry leaves. The wind blows away paper. Meaning, blow away means move something far with air. My hat blows away in the wind. Okay, now imagine heavy rain.
Like monsoon.
Yes, we say rain pours down. Examples, rain pours down in the evening. It pours down during the monsoon. Meaning, pour down means rain heavily. Very useful in daily English. After many hot days, water can dry up.
Dry up means no water?
Exactly. Examples, the pond dries up in summer. The river dries up. Meaning, dry up means become empty of water. Early morning is beautiful.
Birds sing.
Yes, birds wake up early. Examples, birds wake up at sunrise. Nature wakes up in the morning. Meaning, wake up means stop sleeping. Now let's learn a slightly new one, but don't worry. Set in.
That sounds difficult.
I'll make it easy. Set in means start and continue. Examples, winter sets in. Rain sets in during monsoon. Simple meaning, a season starts. Now, a gentle but important one. Die out. Examples, small plants die out without water. The fire dies out. Meaning, die out means stop existing slowly. Very useful in nature and daily English. Let's hear a small story using today's phrasal verbs. In the morning, the sun comes out. Birds wake up and sing. Small plants grow up near the river. In summer, the pond dries up. In autumn, leaves fall down. When the wind is strong, leaves blow away. In monsoon, rain pours down.
Wow, I understood everything.
Now, friends, pause the video and repeat after me. come out, grow up, fall down, blow away, fall down, dry up, wake up, die out. Practice slowly. Practice daily.
Raksha, I feel happy learning English like this.
That makes me very happy. Remember, friends, don't rush. Don't fear mistakes. Speak slowly. Practice daily. Nature teaches us patience. English also needs patience. This is Speak English with Raksha, where English is simple, calm, and confidence building. If you like this video, like, comment one sentence using a phrasal verb, subscribe for more beginner-friendly English. See you in the next lesson. Till then, keep learning and keep smiling.